I'm looking at a face I don't recognize today myself.
Good morning everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is actually week 3 of my 4-part week self-care challenge. So if you are new here or you're just watching the 3rd week for the first time and you don't really know much about the self-care challenge that I made up, I would suggest going and checking out the first week. I will have it linked up in, I'll have it linked somewhere. So you can go check it out and kind of just learn a little bit more about why I'm doing this self-care challenge and why I created it, just to get a little bit of background information. But this morning and today's little task goal is actually to have no sugar in my day. Your girl likes her dark chocolate, likes her maple syrup in her coffee, and so I'm going to struggle through it because sugar is not only just not the greatest for your mental health, physical health. It's good to just do a little, detox every so often. Not that I eat that much like processed sugar on a regular basis, but good to like cut it out altogether every once in a while just to give your body a break from the processed. So this morning when I made my iced coffee, I had to make it with my, I think it's xethol. Anyways, it's like a plant-based sweetener. There's no sugar in it at all. It comes from some sort of tree. So I made my iced coffee with that this morning, and then my almond milk is also unsweetened, so that's fine. I have to say it doesn't taste as good as it normally does with my maple syrup. It's fine though, we're drinking it because a little tired this morning. But yeah, if you've been following along, I hope you've been enjoying this little self-care challenge and are excited for week 3 to start.
Don't know what to say, things ain't the same I felt.
Alright, today is day 16 and today's little self-care challenge is to do a nighttime routine edition, and I've been wanting to start doing face masks more regularly, obviously not on a daily basis, but more so on a weekly basis, I guess, adding it to my like weekly night routine and just having a more concrete skincare routine, So first things first, we gotta take off this makeup, but so last week we did a morning routine edition, this week we're doing a nighttime routine edition, but yeah, let's start with some skincare tonight.
And everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry, you dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much. I never thought that this would hit me so quick and hard. I never thought I'd flip, I never thought I'd miss your heart. But this turn to shit that we can't fix, and girl, yeah. And everybody keeping to themselves. I know you're sorry, you dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. Nah, there's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much. Why can't we just start this over? Why can't we just start this over? Why can't we just start this over? Why can't we just start this over?
Good morning! Welcome to day 17. So this morning I have classes starting at 9 a.m. So I thought before that, I just start my day with a little morning yoga session. It was one of my things on my list, and today I was just really feeling it. I wanted to get a little bit of movement in before I started my day, and honestly I feel so relaxed and stretched out and just ready, energized to start my day. So morning yoga, honestly I think I'm going to try and add it into my routines a little bit more, like maybe once or twice a week, because I feel like it just, makes things flow better. Muscles aren't as tight, which I am so brutal all the time. But yeah, so that was today's little task, was to do a little bit of morning yoga. Alright, good morning. So yesterday I completely forgot to do any talking just because I was actually busy filming another video yesterday as well. It'll be linked down there, but it was my baking a minimalist cake for 100k subscribers. So yesterday's little task challenge was to bake a dessert, bake a treat. So I ended up baking a cake. It just worked out the timing. But today's challenge is to sit down and write for a bit. I used to actually write books and novels and stuff all the time, and I haven't sat down and wrote a solid chapter or like a bit of anything since the summer. So I'm gonna take some time to do that today. But if you don't write at all, I would suggest just sitting down and doing a little bit of journaling today. But that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take some time once I'm done my lectures and write for maybe like an hour, hour and a half, get my creative juices flowing for a little bit, because I always feel so good after I write a bit. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 21, I believe, and this morning's challenge was to wake up bright and early at 6 a.m. I am not normally a morning riser. I even sometimes have classes at 8 a.m. and I wake up at literally like 7:45, 7:50 and do my 8 a.m. class. So this morning I had an 8 a.m. class, and my challenge for myself was to wake up at 6 a.m., get my day going, get my morning going before my classes even started. And so that is what I did today, and I was really tired. I had a coffee. Now I'm feeling energized and ready to go for the day. But yeah, I got my morning workout in. I went for a walk. I had breakfast. I felt like my day just had gotten started before my day had even started, because I got up so early, which was really nice. I think I might try and start waking up a little bit earlier and get into a better routine of doing that. I know 7:30 isn't that late, but I feel like that extra hour will give me just so much more time in the day. So yeah, that was today's challenge. So I challenge you to wake up an hour earlier, or even if you want to do it, do 6 a.m., but just wake up earlier than you normally do. I'm just taking a little lunch break from school and I'm just having my classic salad. If you guys have been here for a while, you know my black bean, goat's cheese, red pepper, spinach salad. But today's little self-care task is to write my goals for the next month. So I just sat down and took some time to do that this morning. So I thought I'd just read them to you guys. So it's to set 5 goals for the month. You can do more, you can do less, whatever you feel works for you. But I did 5, so my goals are 6.5K on Insta, consistent 5K views on 4 YouTube videos in a row, work out 4 times a week, stay caught up on school, and define my morning routine a bit more. There's a few that are like numerical things to try and attain, and then a few that are also kind of more so like just do this better, do this more, which I like having a good mix of both, something that is like an intention versus a solid goal, because I feel like it gives a good balance to your goals. You can't have all numerical things, because if you don't achieve them, then it's really hard to want to set goals again. It's just very demotivating. Whereas if you have something that's attainable in terms of an intention, like I want to be kinder, I want to do this more, I feel like it's sometimes a bit more realistic, because sometimes number goals are not so dependent on you. It's more dependent on your situation, what's going on in your life that you can't always control. But yeah, that is today's. So tonight was day 22, and my little self-care challenge for myself was to have a giant bath. I am not the biggest fan of baths, but I do love a good bath every now and then with a whole bunch of bath bombs and just a real relaxing night. And so that was tonight's challenge. So after my bath, I just put on some cozies and I'm just gonna relax now. We have a candle lit here. We're just gonna have a real nice relaxing night. I washed my hair yesterday, and so there's still like some natural wave left in it. I don't really know what's going on. But this was the last day for week 3, so I hope you guys enjoyed self-care week 3. The last week, week 4, will be up probably next Saturday. I think next Saturday is the last day the challenge ends. So it might be up Saturday or Sunday, because I'm not sure which day the challenge ends. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!